Hey my lovelies, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. If you're new, then I am Pooja Nanda. I make videos on makeup and skincare. So if you're interested, then do subscribe, hit the notification bell down, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about vitamin C, the benefits of vitamin C, do's and don'ts of it, how to use it, when to use it, and also I'll recommend you my favorite vitamin C serums. Vitamin C is very important for our skin to keep our skin glowing and rejuvenated. It reduces all the acne, scars and the pigmentation that you have on your skin, and it also prevents your skin from aging. So it is the best ingredient to start right now in your skincare. So now without wasting any time, we'll see what the benefits and all other good stuffs are about vitamin C. Let's go.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
So if you're 21 or more than that, then right now include vitamin C in your skincare routine because this is really beneficial for your skin. Vitamin C reduces scars, pigmentations from your skin. It slows down the aging process and it also gives you glowing and rejuvenated and hydrated skin. Vitamin C is a high source of antioxidants. So if you're applying vitamin C serums or moisturizers on your skin, then it is best. But I also recommend you to eat vitamin C rich foods like fruits and vegetables, oranges, because keeping your body healthy from inside is also necessary to look good and glowing. And it also reduces your acne and gives you a clear skin. So there are so many benefits. Why not you include vitamin C in your skincare routine? So first, I'm going to tell you what you should not pair with vitamin C serum. So you should never pair salicylic acid, AHAs, BHAs, or retinols or niacinamide, which we also call niacin, with your vitamin C serums, because that reduce all the benefits or the effect of vitamin C serum, or it can also damage the skin barrier or your skin. So be careful when you use any other actives with your vitamin C serum. And now I'll tell you what to use with vitamin C serum, and that ingredient is hyaluronic acid. It is best to use with vitamin C serums. It doubles the effect of vitamin C serum. It gives you a hydrating and glowing skin because hyaluronic acid locks all the moisture and all the good things in your skin and gives you a glowing and hydrating skin, as I said. So now I'll tell you how to use vitamin C serum and when to use it. So before that, I would like to include here that vitamin C is best for all age groups. If you're 21 and above, you can include vitamin C serum in your skincare routine. So you can use vitamin C serum once a day, either in the morning or in the night. I won't suggest to use it twice a day, as I have seen many people saying that you can use vitamin C serum 2 times a day, but I feel it would be too much for your skin, or maybe your skin won't handle and it can give you breakouts, because after all it's an active and it's a chemical, it might break you out. So just go gradually, include it in your skincare routine once a day. You can use vitamin C 3 times a week, like every morning, 3 times a week, or every night, and then you can just use 5 times a week. I personally use vitamin C serum almost 5 times a week, and other days I use salicylic acid or any AHAs, BHAs in my skincare because my skin is acne prone, so I need to take care of that as well. But if your skin is dry and normal, you just give a break, like you use this for 2 days and then give 1 day break, and then use 2-3 days and then give 1 day break. Like that you can do, and that would give you best results. You can take 4 to 5 drops, just pat it in your skin, let it sink all the product, wait for 2 minutes, and then go for your moisturizer or your sunscreen. So today I'll share 2 vitamin C serums with you all, which I absolutely enjoy using and I love both of them. So the first vitamin C serum is from the brand Chemist at Play. It's their vitamin C, tocopherol and ferulic acid serum. It's their brightening serum, so it only doesn't have vitamin C, but it also has tocopherol and ferulic acid in it. Tocopherol is a form of vitamin E. It hydrates your skin really well and it reduces all the wrinkles and fine lines from your skin. And ferulic acid has healing properties and it's an anti-inflammatory properties. So it reduces all the redness and it calms your skin, and it also reduces acne, scars or pigmentations from your skin. And the consistency of this serum is just amazing. It is not sticky, it is non-sticky actually, and I love using this serum. So it has very slight fragrance to it. I am okay with it. My skin doesn't breaks out, but if you have sensitive skin, then I would recommend you another another serum which I'll show you after this serum. So you can go for this Chemist at Play Vitamin C Serum and you will enjoy using it. My second vitamin C serum is from the brand Minimalist. It's their Vitamin C Serum. So this vitamin C serum I'll recommend for everyone because it doesn't have fragrance and it's really a clean brand and everyone is raving about it. But I must say this is a product which everyone should rave about it because this vitamin C serum gives you an amazing glow to your skin. Even I love the consistency of this serum, so I love both equally. So I give equal scoring to both vitamin C serums. So as I said before, if you have sensitive skin or if you don't like any fragrances in your skincare, then you can go for this Minimalist Vitamin C Serum. Both the serums are affordable. It is under 700 or maybe 800, not more than that. I will leave all the product and the price details on the screen for you guys, and I'll also share the link to buy for the serums in the description box, so it would be easier for you to go and just buy the product. And if you don't want to buy these two vitamin C serums, that is totally fine. You can buy any vitamin C serum, but remember the bottle should be dark. That bottle should not be transparent because it can oxidize your serum and the effect would be nothing. Keep your vitamin C serum away from sunlight or normal light. You should keep vitamin C serum in the drawers where there is no light and the temperature is cool. So that's it for today's video. That's all about vitamin C. If there are any other recommendations, do let me know in the comment section. I would enjoy and love to do those videos for you. Now we'll see you in the next video. Till then, be safe. I love you all. Bye.